How to download and install Access Bank mobile banking app. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial. In order to download and install Access Bank mobile banking app, firstly make sure you are connected to a proper working internet connection, whether it is your Wi-Fi or your cellular. Now go ahead and open the App Store and in the search bar search for Access Bank and tap on it. You will see the Get button, so go ahead and tap on that. You will be asked to enter your Apple ID password or your Face ID, so go ahead and enter that. Once entered, the installation process will begin. With your mobile banking application for Access Bank, it will give you real-time access to your account, transfer your accounts to Access Bank, make your payments, request your checkbooks, cancel or stop your checks, and much more. Your download time might vary depending on your internet speed, so wait for the download to complete. Once downloaded, tap on the Open button and launch the application, and with this you have successfully downloaded Access Bank in your device. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.